Have you ever wondered why one or two companies seem to dominate an entire industry? Let's look at the mechanics of winner takes all markets. In these markets, the top player captures the vast majority of all industry profit, leaving very little for the competition. It is common to see a single firm control the lion's share of users or revenue, creating a massive gap between the leader and the rest. These markets thrive on network effects, where the value of a service increases as more people join, making it nearly impossible for rivals to catch up. As you can see, the profit distribution is heavily skewed. The leader captures most of the value, creating a steep mountain for any newcomer to climb. Because these firms don't need to build a new factory for every new user, their profit margins expand significantly as they scale. Understanding these market structures can help you analyze how businesses grow and compete. Thanks for watching, and remember to save this for your next deep dive.